And then we've got Jay running one of our two ABX-64s SYY2. So this has got 64mm bar feed capacity, and Jay is running here on an aerospace part that we do regularly. Jay, so just talk us through the part. What's the material first of all?
It's a titanium material.
Good, and how many? What's the order quantity for this?
For 200, and then we've got another order for 200, so 400 in total.
Yeah. Brilliant. And so, in particular, when you're setting and running this, what are the key issues that you face, complexities in production?
So the flange size is critical, and the thread is critical because you've got to keep control of the minor diameter, plus trying to keep it in size. Other than that, it's a pretty good runner.
Yeah, it's been a stable product for us for a few years, hasn't it? So it's always kind of nice when those stable products come back and they get into production quite quickly. You know them, particularly you've ran this product for quite a while, haven't you?
Yeah.
So you use MeasureLink on this, Jay, capture all your key features?
Yeah, use MeasureLink, capture all the data, and then we can keep track of tool life and stuff like that. So now I've got tool counts in the machine. So we know how long inserts are going to last, or roughly going to last, and so we can change them early and keep production and keep this going and keep it efficient. So
as well, does that give you confidence when you're leaving the machine unmanned or you're walking away to carry on with another set? Mm-hmm. You know that if everything's right, you've got consistency until you come back to the machine? Yeah,
definitely. I don't really have too many issues. I used to have issues when we first had this job. We didn't know what the tool life was, and tools end up breaking. Then obviously,
over time you get the data that you get from measuring. So in terms of unmanned production, what did you get out of that, Jay?
I keep it safe. About 10 parts I usually do, because the rough and tips last 30 parts until we got to change them, so I just try and keep it safe. It's a good 10 parts.
Well, when we walk back in the morning, we don't want a machine
broken down
or tools welded to material. And generally in cycle time for this part, Jay, what's the total cycle time?
Right now we're on 15 minutes right now.
15 minutes?
Yeah, but I think it's about 16 and a half minutes.
Okay, good. And there's a fair amount of material to come out of there, so that's excellent. Well, thanks, Jay.
Yeah, no worries, thank you.
Cheers.